Hello viewers, are you experiencing Roblox login? Something went wrong. Please try again later error problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all go to Play Store and then click on Search app. Search Roblox. Update your Roblox apps in latest version. After completing update process, now find Roblox and then long press on Roblox app. Now open Roblox app info, click on I button or app info. Now go to storage option, clear cache your Roblox storage, go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then power off on your device. After this step, now go to Roblox and check your problem solved successfully. If still you are facing same problem, then uninstall your Roblox apps and reinstall again. I hope this method will fix your problem.